Welcome to my channel M Kormakar. If you are new to my channel M Kormakar, click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications to get all latest videos. Integration square root 1 minus sine 2x. It is known that integration sine x dx formula is minus cos x plus c. Integration cos x dx that is equal to sin x plus c. So we have to express these integrand in terms of sin x and cos x. So we have to remove the square root. To do this, we should make this 1 minus sin 2x as a perfect square. How to do this? Let us try minus sin 2x. Now see, sin 2x there is a formula sin 2x it is equal to 2 sin x cos x. This formula in the chapter multiple angles. So if we expand by this formula minus 2 sin x cos x. See, if we want to make this is a perfect square, there is 2 AB terms present. That means 2A means sin A, B means cos x. 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. Now see, there is another formula sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 can be replaced by this formula sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Now obviously if sin x is equal to a and cos x is equal to b, then a square plus b square minus 2ab, but a square plus b square minus 2ab, this can be written as a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square. But what should be written here? Sin x minus cos x whole square or cos x minus sin x whole square? Actually it is written such that in this case a greater than b, in this case b greater than a. But according to trigonometry, if we draw the graph of sin x cos x, the graph of this sin x is this pi by 2 pi, and cos x graph is like this. This is 1 0 comma 1. See, starting time cos is greater than sin x. So in generally we written here cos x minus sin x whole square, because starting time the graph cos x remaining upper portion, or that is upper part. Therefore original integration say I that is equal to square root integration 1 minus sin 2x dx. Write this. Done here cos x minus sin x that of whole square and square root. If we remove square root symbol, what will be? Cos x minus sin x dx. See, integration cos x. What is the formula? Integration cos x sin x. Integration sin x minus cos x. So, integration cos x sin x minus integration sin x minus cos x plus integrating constant, where c is integrating constant. That is equal to sin x minus minus plus cos x plus c. Therefore, integration square root of 1 minus sin 2x, that is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.